Chief Ikechukwu Nwosah has emerged the new chairman of Igbuala village, one of the 5 villages in Ifitedunu, Dunukofia local government area of the state, during a peaceful election organized by the Electoral Committee of Igbuala Community Assembly, which he polled 188 votes to defeat his opponent, Chief Monarch Agunecheba, who got 6 votes. Chukwuemeka Molidin now reports.
The election, which was supervised by the executives of Ifitedunu Town Union, also saw the emergence of Mr. Chekwube Odugwe as vice chairman of the village and Mr. Sunday Anizoba as the secretary, while other positions went unopposed. Speaking after the election, Chief Nwosah assured that he will work with Dunukofia Local Government Council and the state government to tackle insecurity in the village, activate Igbuala Skills Acquisition Center so that unemployed youths in the area will acquire skills that will make them self-reliant, address lack of power supply in the village, attract investments which will create massive employment opportunities for their youths, among others. In their various reactions, the President General of Ifitedunu Town Union, Professor Uchenna Ufaro, and a stakeholder of Igbuala village, Chief Celestine Stevens, who commended the peaceful conduct of both contestants and the electorate during the election, which was conducted by open ballot system, urged the executives to unite the people and sustain the existing peace in the village, adding that with peace, the village can harness their potential.
The newly elected executives of Igbuala Community Assembly will pilot the affairs of the village for 4 years. From Igbuala in Ifitedunu, Chukwuemeka Molidin, ABS News.